Why do I need a website for business? What are benefits having a website for the business? How websites are important in business growth? How websites save our time and money? Hello world and welcome everyone. It's Shamsher Ali here from Bitlings Tech. The reason why today I'm here again in front of you guys is to talk about a very interesting and trending topic, which is websites. Why everyone need a website. We discussed in our post and on our official website about importance. But today it's time to describe you in our own words how it's important. So in this video, we are going to talk about some facts, some interesting information about internet users and the website for the business growth. So we have a lot of more to cover in this video. We are also going to show you some real-time facts in our computer where when I will go into my computer and I will show you guys. So stay tuned guys. People who are watching our video around the globe might be technical and non-technical. As in our first video, we said that we are going to create interesting and informational videos for technical and both for non-technical as well. So we are also going to put our first video link in the description. You guys can check later on about that video. And now let's start further about discussing importance of having a website. We have a lot of more to cover about some key points having a website, but before that let's discuss some facts which are very interesting. So the first fact is about internet user. Did you know how many internet users are around the globe? Yes, you're right. Almost 4.54 billion people are active internet user around the globe as per the calculation of January 2020. And that means encompassing 59% of the population in the world are using internet, which is a lot. And definitely it's going to increase day by day, month by month, and week by week. And let me share you some more figures about the countries who are progressing in that. China has more internet user and other nation it has low in that. And let me share with you in the total average of the countries 1 billion active users are just belongs to China, and they are covering over 25% of the population who are using internet. And then after China, India is behind that, and then onward United States as per the population. So it's very interesting fact. Now let me share with you another fact which is also important to share with you guys. And that fact is, did you know how many websites in the world as per 2020? Yes, you're right. There are over 1 billion websites in the world, according to Netcraft's January survey 2020. And we are also going to share that link below. You guys can check later on about it. And there is one very interesting fact, let me also share with you guys. That is, did you know how many websites are like creating every minute in the world? Yes, that's right. Approximately as per the calculation, there are 380 new websites are created every minute, guys, which is a lot. And if you calculate, that means every 24 hours increment is like in 5,47,200 new websites are coming around the globe in that list. And another fact which is very important for you guys, there are 51% all over the websites are in English, which is another fact. And rest of them are like 49% websites are in different languages like in Spanish or French or any other language in the world.
Alright guys, so right now we are here in the Wikipedia, and here we are to learn and know exactly importance of having a website or importance to having online presence. Once we will, came to know how many internet users we have and how often they are increasing, that will help us to understand about it. So you can see, I will put that link in the description below so you can check it by yourself. But let me share a very quick overview about it. List of countries by number of internet users. You can read all details, but how often they are increasing you can check from here. In 2005, in 2010, in 2017, and in 19, and now it's 2020, so you can check the latest stats. Here is very important information: list of all the countries, total internet users, total population, rank, internet user percentage, different ranking, and source. So China is leading among all those countries. They have total population and then total internet user. So if we count their total number of users, so that's why they are at number one. Then India has second highest users, so they are at number two. Then United States number three, Indonesia, Brazil, Japan, Russia, Mexico, Pakistan, and they are at number 5. Yes, but they are actually at 151 against this formula: total number of population and total number of users. They are 36%. Same goes for any other country. Let's say if we talk about Russia, so they have like 76% users, so that's why they are at 66. So you can scroll down all the way and you can check all the countries and their stats. And it's very interesting, guys. Once you will check by yourself, you will like that. So it's very important to have online presence. Here we can see worldwide internet users by 2020. So we can see 59% are users, which are active users, and 41% are non-users, which are not currently using, but they are increasing oftenly and day by day. Another fact here, let me share with you: maximum internet users nation 2020, 25% China. China is leading among all those other countries, among 75% other nations, because they have more than 1 billion active users. And the third fact is maximum website in the language, which is English, which is 51% of the entire world, and 49% are other, like Spanish or many more. Why English is? Because English is, most of you know, guys, is international language. So it's easy to communicate with each other because everyone is dealing in the English. And this is also showing us importance of having a website in English, because everyone wants to do business worldwide. So if they want to do business worldwide, because different nations have different languages, so this is the standard, so everyone can understand each other. So that's why English is leading among the websites.
All right, guys, so welcome back. You learn about the real-time facts in the computer. Now let me share with you exact key points which are helping your business with the help of website. So let's discuss one by one very quickly. We have a lot of things to discuss, but we decided and postponed those plans and the discussion which we are going to do in our upcoming videos, which are also going to be very interesting. So let me finish that very quick for you guys. So before I talk about main key points, let me share with you about the website. Website are in two different types, which are very major. One of them is static website and other is dynamic website. So it's clear with the name. Static website is that which normally our user cannot change. For in order to change that website, we need help of a developer or a software engineer which can help us, or we have to hire an agency which can change our website. And the dynamic website is clear with the name, which constantly change, and our user can change itself, which maintain databases, records, and those kind of stuff, which we decided to discuss in our upcoming videos as well. So the first and most major point we have for you guys is cost effective. Definitely websites are really cost effective if you compare with physical business, like you pay for the rent. If you own the place, definitely you spend a lot of money on it. If you have a staff, you're paying on them. If you have like multiple bills for electricity, and you have many things, you're paying for it. You need a place, you need to maintain that place in order to have a physical business. But let's say if you have a website, you all what you need to do is one time development cost, and then you are growing your business day by day, which is definitely a cost effective way, which most of you guys already know about it. Point number two, business credibility. If you have a professional looking website or user friendly website, consumer will likely have a greater chance of considering your business over organization who either do not have a website or have a website but actually is not professional. So whenever consumer start a business with, or it give project or outsource any organization, they wants them to be online because it's a plus point for the credible business. Whoever have a website, client and consumer trust them more likely like those other persons. And another point is expand your market. The internet allows business to break through the geographical barriers, and if you have a website, you can contact internationally clients and you can expand your business. Like, websites are here to help globally. Like, if a person don't have a website, probably they don't have like aim to grow their business, they just want to be limited in a circle. So if you have a plan, if a person is interested to grow their business worldwide, so as per our understanding and as per our analysis, website is most important factor and key feature to expand their business. Another fact is around the clock availability, which is very important. Having a website provides your consumer with the around the clock availability in terms of access of products, information, and services. This type of business open 24 hours in a day, as you cannot compare website with storefront which close in a limited time. Maybe it can remain open for 12 hours, 15 hours, maybe 16 hours, but website is a place which never sleeps. So anyone can visit your website, and it's more important to gain more customer and generate more revenue for your business. And other plus point for you is when you change your location, which is another point. When you change your location, because customers is like customize everything for your business. Because why you are doing business? Because you are getting business from your customer. If you're losing your customer, then there is no mean to do the business. So if you move your business to a new location, your consumer can still find you from your website. You can share your address and location, your phone number, your email address, a lot of other information on the website. So if your customers are aware about your brand, your logo, and your website, so they can simply go to the website, go to the Google, and you search. They can search about you. We hope that you liked our video. And guys, if you liked our video, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any question about our video, and if you have planned to develop a new website, or if you have currently a website and if you want our expertise for that, just put your comment below and we will answer you guys as soon as possible. Also, we are going to put our links below. Through that, you guys can contact us and we will try our best to help you guys as much as we could. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.